Mesa Community Park celebrated its 75th anniversary on Thursday, June 16th.
This is our way of celebrating this milestone and saying thank you to all those that we've been able to serve through our parks and recreation facilities, from our aquatic centers to our sports complexes.
Concession stands were available, making sure that visitors stayed hydrated through the sunny afternoon celebration. Volunteers helped chaperone and keep children safe at the event. They could take on the challenge of rock climbing, ride on the rides, or release their energy by bouncing up and down. Either way, finding a fun activity was not difficult, regardless of your age. This Disney-themed event was sponsored by Radio Disney, who provided a host for the contests and giveaways that took place throughout the evening. Although the sun began to set and darkness started to settle in, the crowd kept on cheering. Alex Adams, JMC 345.